Second law of motion explained through live video with our bus copy expert.
आज हम लोग सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, केवल सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन भी कहा जाए तो पूरे विश्व में सब लोग न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन के बारे में ही जानते हैं। सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन में कहा गया है कि रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू फोर्स अप्लाई, यानी फोर्स किसी वस्तु पर लगाई जाती है तो उसके मोमेंटम में परिवर्तन होता है। मान लिया जाए कि कोई वस्तु है जिसका शुरू का रेट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u है और t सेकंड के बाद उसका फाइनल वेलोसिटी v हो जाता है, तो इनिशियल मोमेंटम क्या होगा? मास इनटू इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी, मतलब m इंटू u। फाइनल मोमेंटम क्या होगा? m इंटू v। चेंज इन मोमेंटम कितना हुआ? mv माइनस mu, mv माइनस mu। रेट ऑफ चेंज इन मोमेंटम क्या होगा? क्योंकि इतना चेंज होने में समय लगा है t, इसलिए रेट हो जाएगा mv माइनस mu बाई t। अब न्यूटन लॉ ऑफ मोशन कहता है, सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन कहता है कि रेट ऑफ चेंज इन मोमेंटम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू f, दैट इज f इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू mv माइनस mu बाई t, दैट इज f इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू m under bracket v minus u by t, and we know from first chapter that v minus u by t is known as acceleration. So m is proportional to m into a. Now if 1 Newton force is applied upon a mass of 1 kg, then experimentally it is found that acceleration produced is 1 meter per second square. By putting this value in above formula, we get that f, that is 1, is equal to some constant that is known as proportionality constant k into 1 into 1, that is k is equal to 1. So we say that in case of SI unit, by experiment k is equal to 1. By putting the value of k in the above formula, f is equal to mass into acceleration. So the final formula f is equal to mass into acceleration is the very important formula which is used to measure the force, for measurement of force. So we can say that second law of motion gives us technique, gives us formula, gives us device for measurement of force. From first law we get definition of force, and from second law we get measurement of force.
So let's recap what we have learned in this module. Newton's second law of motion states that experimentally it has been found that the acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the unbalanced force applied on the body and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. That is, acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied on the body. Acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to 1 by mass of the body. Combining these two, one can write acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied on the body by mass of the body, or simply force is directly proportional to the by mass into acceleration. Newton's second law of motion gives us the formula of measurement of force. That's what we have learned in this module.